Lal Babu Manjhi left Chhapra in Bihar 40 years ago and boarded a train for Delhi in search of a job.
वहाँ काम धंधा नहीं था, मैं भी किसी के साथ दिल्ली आ गया।
For decades, countless others from Bihar have made the same journey like Manjhi, leaving behind villages with few jobs and little hope to find work in India's growing cities. But was it always like this? This statistic may come as a surprise, but Bihar's per capita income in the 1960s was about 60% of India's average. Today, it's less than one-third. 6 decades on, Bihar's growth has trailed much of India's, widening the gap it once hoped to close. Bihar's biggest struggle is with jobs. More than half its population is of working age, yet not many are working. The problem, Bihar doesn't lack people, it lacks opportunities. Bihar's youth unemployment rate stands at nearly 17%, one of the highest in the country. And in that space, Manjhi says little has changed since he left home 4 decades ago.
वैसे हमारे नज़र से तो कोई बदलाव नहीं हुआ, जैसे था वैसे था। काम धंधा है ही नहीं वहाँ था, और लोग बस काम धंधे के चक्कर से कहीं जाते हैं। बाकी काम धंधा होता तो काहे के लिए इधर उधर भटके।
While Bihar shows a drop in overall unemployment data, there is a jump in the category of helpers in household enterprises, from 5% to 21% in just a few years. While technically employed, it could translate into informal, often unpaid labor within households. It could explain why Bihar's unemployment rate looks deceptively low, at least on paper. Over the last 7 decades, Bihar's politics has swung between coalitions and chaos, moving from a time when governments couldn't complete a term to years of jungle raj when kidnapping and ransom were often in the news cycle. The last 2 decades have come with Nitish Kumar at the helm, even though he's wildly switched alliances and loyalties. The push for infra is visible, and women-centric policies have widened his appeal too. But someone like Lal Babu, who now lives in Delhi, still in search of work and dependent on his son's monthly income for support, staying in Delhi still offers more possibilities than back home in Bihar.
दिवाली में 1 हफ्ता पहले आया हूँ, कहीं जॉब मिलता है, काम धंधा मिलता है तो ठीक है, नहीं तो वापस घर पे। और घर पे भी वापस जाके यही रोना होगा, वहाँ भी काम नहीं। यहाँ तो उम्मीद है कि कहीं फैक्ट्री में चाहे कहीं गार्ड वार्ड में कहीं आदमी लग सकता है, मगर वहाँ तो ये भी नहीं।
आपने कभी सोचा है कि बिहार वापस जाएंगे?
नहीं, बिहार सोचने से क्या होता है, सोचना का। अभी तो मार्च में गया था सोचने कि बिहार ही रहे, वहीं रहे, मगर क्या कि वहाँ काम ही नहीं है तो हम क्या करें। 12,000 का लड़का नौकरी कर रहा है, उसके 2 बच्चे, 2 वो और 2 बच्चे 4, 2 हम 6 में 12,000 के अंदर घर चलाना बहुत मुश्किल है।